Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut custard pie. Now I don't know many people that like coconuts, so I don't normally do videos on it. If you like coconuts, let me know in the comments and maybe I'll do more videos on it. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. To make the pie crust, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, and salt, and mix them until they're combined. Then add in the cold butter that's been cut into cubes, and rub and squeeze it into the flour using your fingers until it's combined and the chunks of butter are about the size of small peas. Try not to make it too fine or the crust won't come out very flaky. Then add in the ice cold water. Mix it in with the spoon at first. Then use your hands to bring it together into a ball. Then wrap it in plastic wrap. Flatten it into a disc and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes until it's cold. Then lightly flour the work surface. Place the dough onto it. Lightly flour the top of the dough. And roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick and about 1 to 2 inches bigger than the pie pan. Then roll the dough around the rolling pin and place it into an ungreased 9 or 10-inch pie pan. Lift and lower the crust so it fits the inside of the pan. Trim off the excess. Use a fork to poke a bunch of holes into the crust to let steam escape while it's baking. And place it into the freezer for 15 minutes until it's really well chilled. Then remove it from the freezer. Lightly grease a sheet of aluminum foil. Press it into the pan. Then add uncooked beans or rice into the pan. This is to weigh it down so it doesn't puff up in the oven. Then bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. Then remove it from the oven. Remove the beans and aluminum foil. And bake it in the oven for another 10 minutes. Then remove it from the oven and set it aside for now. Turn the oven temperature down to 350 degrees. Then to toast the coconut, spread it out flat onto a baking sheet and place it into the oven for about 3 minutes just until it's lightly browned. Then remove it from the oven and set it aside until you need it. Then to make the filling, in a large bowl add in the eggs and lightly beat them using a whisk. Then add in the sugar, vanilla extract, and salt, and whisk them in until they're well combined. Then add in the milk, coconut milk, and the toasted coconuts from before, and whisk them in until they're well combined. Pour the filling into the pie crust and wrap the edges with aluminum foil to keep it from over browning. Place the pie into a baking sheet and bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. Then remove the aluminum foil and bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then remove it from the oven. Place the pie onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. Keep it stored in the fridge until you're ready to serve it. And it can be served cold or at room temperature. And that's how to make a coconut custard pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.